So here's a laser machine I bought off these guys on eBay. Nothing but problems with it so far. I mean, it arrived packaged okay. The laser works, but nothing else. The electronics seem okay. Everything's plugged in, wired up properly. Everything seems okay, but it doesn't actually do anything. So just move this laptop. I got Moshi Draw running on an old laptop. It is as bad as everybody says. So here's the machine. So we'll turn it on. Apparently when you turn it on, it's supposed to home itself off the limit switches here. So let's see. The power's on. Nothing. That's about as good as it gets. So let's leave it turned on. Laptop's there. Moshi Draw dongle. Let's have a quick look at the laser firing. No, we'll leave that. I've got nothing to fire it against. So we'll plug. So plug the USB in. Don't know if you can make that out. Machine idle. So I've got something set up here. We go up to machine. Normal. Outline. Set a start position. Read all the instructions, followed the instructions. So change this to blank position. Output. Machine busy. That's it. That's as far as we get. From these guys.